The consistency of the fruit salad is very important for the rich taste of the fruit salad. It should neither be runny or watery nor very thick. Now, what to do if it becomes runny or watery? Before going into the video, if you have any doubts or queries, please leave it in the comment section below because we make sure that we answer all your questions. To prepare about half a liter of watery custard which we have prepared, take a bowl, add about 250 ml of water to it, and then to this add about 1 heapful teaspoon of custard powder. Now mix it thoroughly into a liquid. Now keep it on slow fire and cook it nicely till you get a thick paste. Now add the required amount of sugar to this. Now add this paste to the originally prepared fruit custard which is watery. Now mix thoroughly and then cook it slowly and then cool it. Now add the required amount of fruits into it and the nuts, and then now you can refrigerate it. Thank you.